29th April 2020, and welcome to Iliad Wave Analysis. Today we will discuss on Aussie CAD, and let's see. See, this is the I have labeled as this is the 5-minute chart. Okay, so you can see the wave 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 and fifth is running. So see, this is the one wave, and the Fibonacci ratio of the one wave is around 61.8%. So then you can see this is the third big move, around 450% of wave 1, and this is a simple correction. So we have seen this is the complex correction, ABC X ABC complex correction double 3, and see, this is the fourth wave ending, and it is started fifth wave. So we assume this one is the first impulse wave of the fifth wave. So fifth wave is not yet completed over here. Fifth wave may complete around, we will forecast that. So this is the first wave of the fifth wave. Then see, this is the correction. So this correction is very interesting. This is the second wave. You can see here, this is the irregular correction, A, B and C. If you give number, then A, B and C. So let's check the Fibonacci ratio with this correction. See, this is the first wave. So correction, you have to check here. This correction is around 61.8%, nearly 61.8%, and this C wave is around 123 to 138% of A wave normally. So let's check the confirmation. Yeah, it is nearly 138% of the A wave. So we assume that correction is completed here, and this is the impulse irregular correction. Then we will see very huge move of the third wave. So this is the 0 1 2 3 4 5 here. So if we calculate the third wave, then it may around 161 to 261.8%, either here or here. We don't know where it will complete, but normally this wave will be huge. So what you can do is, you can buy here presently 0.9855. So let me type buy AUD CAD at current price 0.9860 with the SL of starting point is our wave 1 starting point, nearly 0.9450, and our target price is, there is two target price, one is 91654 and second is 9222. So we have to count the waves, how the waves 1 2 3 4 5 build up in this third wave. So in short, this will be the big move. So we expect if it is to 61.8%, okay, 0.91650 or 0.9 to 200. So this will be our trading calculation for the Aussie CAD. So it will be very interesting to watch these waves. So let's hope where it will be unfolded. And this will also the 1 2 3 4 5, and our fifth wave will completed at the 5 moves of this big count. Okay, so this was the USD CAD, and it is interesting. Your eyes should be here, and do not miss this opportunity. If you want to put small SL, then you can put small SL. This is the at here 0.90700 around, and you will get the big risk reward ratio. See, if you put here small SL and your target is at 161, then even you can get the risk reward. Sorry, if you put here your SL is small, your risk reward ratio is 5.73 if 161.8%. if it is 261, then it may be more than 10%, around 10%. So this is the classic example of the Elliott wave analysis. If this is achieved, then see what happens. So thank you for watching my video, and subscribe it and share it. Thank you.